Hello, dear children. My name is Blue Cat, and welcome to my channel. Today, I will teach you the colors. First, I will give the colors, and then I will show some examples. At the final, I have an exam for you children. Now, let's learn the colors. But before that, subscribe to my channel and like my video. Let's begin with the red. I think it is a great color. Tell me in the comments about something red. Now let's see the blue. Blue is a beautiful color. Do you see something blue around you? The next color is yellow. It is a bright color and it is my favorite color. Now this color is green. Green is a color of nature. This color makes me happy. The next color is orange. I love orange color. It reminds me the fruit orange. Now this color is purple. It is a nice and calm color. The next color is pink. This color is lighter of purple and very cute color. We can see this in daily life. Now this color is black. Black is a super cool color and some people's favorite color. The next color is white. White means clean and brightness. Tell me something about white in the comments. This color is gray. Gray is a dark color. Now, this is last color. This is brown. It is darker than orange. Do you like brown? All right, we saw the colors. Now it is time to see some examples of them. But before seeing some examples, tell me in the comments which is your favorite color and why do you love it. Now it is example time. Let's go! Red is the color of apples, strawberries, and fire trucks. It's a color that means love and energy. It really grabs your attention. Blue is the color of the sky and the ocean. In the ocean, there are so many fishes, and at the sky, there are so many birds. Yellow is the color of the sun and bananas. It's bright, happy, and full of energy. It makes people smile. Green is the color of grass and frogs. And this color makes people calm or relax. Orange is the color of oranges, of course. Pumpkins and tigers. It's a warm, cheerful color. Purple is the color of grapes and lavender flowers. A long time ago, purple was the color of royalty. Pink is the color of cotton candy and flamingos. It's sweet, soft, and many people love it for its gentle look. Black is the color of night, shadows, and some cats. It can look cool and mysterious. White is the color of snow and clouds. It means clean and bright. It's all the colors mixed together in light. Gray is the color of clouds on a rainy day. Elephants and some rocks are gray too. Brown is the color of chocolate, bears, and tree trunks. It's an earthy color and makes us think of the outdoors. Okay, children, we saw some examples for each color. Now, let's do some magic and mix some colors, right? I bet you like this. Can you guess which color you get when you mix red and yellow? Of course, you will get orange. Now, let's see which color we get if we mix red and blue. Red and blue make purple, like yummy grapes. Can you guess which color you get when you mix blue and yellow? Blue and yellow make green, like fresh grass. If you mix black and white, you will get gray, like elephants. All right, children, now it is quiz time. I want you children to give the correct answer for each question. You can go back and watch the video again. If you're ready for the quiz, let's go. The first question is, do you remember this color? This color is red. Do you know which color is that? This color is blue. Do you know which color is that? This color is yellow. Do you know which color is that? This color is green. Do you know which color is that? This color is orange. Do you know which color is that? This color is purple. Do you know which color is that? This color is pink. Do you know which color is that? This color is black. Do you know which color is that? This color is white. Do you know which color is that? This color is gray. Do you know which color is that? This color is brown. Which color will we get if we mix red and yellow? We will get orange. Which color will we get if we mix red and blue? We will get purple. Which color will we get if we mix blue and yellow? We will get green. Which color will we get if we mix black and white? We will get gray. All right, children. We saw the colors and learned them. Colors are everywhere. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video.